Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Text. So now we are going to talk about sectioning of our Latex document. And first of all, in document class, use report or book. So in here, I'm going to use command part, first part, and now once again, second part. So part, it's actually the biggest division in Latex that you could get. If I save this document, let me show you what we have. We have a title for first part on one page and title for second part on another page. So if you want to split your document into parts, keep in mind that title for part is going to hold entire page. And if you want to avoid this part 1 to be printed to the screen, you are just going to use asterisk after part command, save it, and now we just have our first part and second part. Now, smaller division than a part, it's actually chapter, and once again you could use chapter with asterisk or without. So if you use chapter with asterisk, only chapter title is going to be printed. So that is exactly what we want, like this. And I'm going to do the same for second part, save it, and now first page is for part title. Second page, at the beginning of second page, our first chapter is going to start. It is exactly the same with second part and first chapter title. And now I'm going to show you another division, that is section, first section, and once again save it. Now immediately after chapter title, we are going to get section title. So chapter title is going to start at the beginning of an empty page, and immediately after we are going to get rest of our content. And as you see, our section is enumerated, but instead of having like 1.1, we have 0.1. That is because we have prevented enumeration of our chapters with this asterisk sign. I'm going to remove that and I'm going to save this. And now we have chapter 1 at top of our chapter title, and enumeration of our section is now 1.1. And finally, I'm going to add some content to our document just in order for you to see how our document is going to look like. So for that, I'm going to use two packages. Lipsum for text and graphics for images. And in here, in first section, I'm going to provide some text. Okay, this would be fine. And now figure, like this, include graphics, controller, scale 0.2, and I'm going to add some caption to it. Caption. Okay, like this. I'm going to save this and let us see. So we have our part title on empty page, and then chapter on another page with text from our first section. So after that is Done. We have second part on empty page. Then first chapter from second part, first section from second part, and then we have this figure. And now I'm just going to fill all of this with some text, with Lipson of course. Okay, like this, save it. Okay, now we have something much better. And text. Looks almost like real book. So guys, thank you for watching. I truly hope that you're going to like this episode, so please subscribe and see ya.